kinds of hot dogs.
Then you got the slow guy in there.
Take that helmet off.
Yep, let's see you.
Take the helmet off.
I want to take a picture with the helmet on.
This is good.
So they both got one.
Spinning?
It was.
Oh yeah. Hit him.
I think we should get the fish to him. Right here. This
You
guy.
didn't get one? You didn't get
I
fish
don't feel
yet?
like Bobby.
You got
We have an
You
audience,
gotta reach
Alex.
for the line, then you
Oh,
want
yeah.
to feel for it, then you gotta set it. Now pull it in, nice and oh, this might be a decent one. Come on, buddy.
He's like
It's a
a
big fish.
gangster.
Got the gaff?
No.
Big
Sure
fish.
Wow, he took a lot of line.
Big fish.
Maybe that's the one that took it earlier.
You're gonna want to get the gaff.
Do you have anything to...
No.
Yeah, you're gonna want like.
Oh wow, yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Whoa. Run back. Whoa!
Not bad. What?
Yay.
8?
Yeah.
That's a good one. Here you go, dudes. Round 2.
Watch out for his mouth. Open it.
Like this.
Bigger. We're gonna go big. Ah! What are you guys guessing?
20 something.
20 something. You're good. 24 and a half.
Nice.
He's fat too. Put him in the bucket.
Get over here.
Yeah, right. Hell of a thing.
Hey, Major. Hey, Major. Which one is this one?
722.
Oh, that's fine.
Ow, he bit me!
Thank you.
I'm just kidding.
Not purposely. Craig bought me this.
It's 48.
48.
48 inches long.
22 and probably a half. Happy fish. 23 and a half.
All right, our third place. Now I should say, Karen got 2.83 pound pike, 23 and a half inches. Olivia got a 20 and a quarter inch pike at 1.74 pounds. Deuce possibly. No, I'm going to go Logan first. Logan got 25 and a quarter, but his was 3 pounds. Alrighty. Now Deuce, he was second place, 26 and a quarter and 3.8 pounds. And Sadie, 28 and a quarter, 4.76 pounds.
Wow.
First place.
Congratulations, guys.